Vacuum thermal evaporation is used in research and industry and is by far the most used technique to produce organic light-emitting diodes.
The main advantage of this technique is the production of high-quality and easily reproducible structures which can be translated into high-efficiency devices.
Begin with two patterned substrates. These 24mm by 24mm ITO-coated glass substrates were patterned with 4mm stripes. Rinse each substrate with acetone for about 10 seconds. Then, dry them with a nitrogen gun. Next, submerge the substrates in a container of acetone. Place the container in an ultrasonic bath for 15 minutes. When done, transfer the substrates to a container with isopropyl alcohol. Don't forget to signal both containers on the side that is facing the ITO films. Place this container in the ultrasonic bath for another 15 minutes. After the second ultrasonic bath, remove the substrates and dry them with a nitrogen gun. Place dry substrates in a platform suitable for a plasma cleaner. Before proceeding, ensure there are no residues or smudges on the substrates. Use a multimeter in the pad areas to ensure that the ITO is facing forward. Next, go to an oxygen plasma cleaner and place the substrates ITO side up. Clean them for 6 minutes. After plasma cleaning, prepare for evaporation steps. Attach the substrates to the substrate holder with mask A, used for the evaporation of all organic layers, making sure the ITO is facing downward. If in doubt, test again with the multimeter.